I got one of my centers covered with green, and then I decided I didn't like it. And I don't think you should be too concerned with how the centers look. The tops of the centers are really all that are going to be visible once the flower is finished. But if you have a center that's misshapen and you don't like it, you really don't have to keep it. You can just clip it off the wire and then use what's left of the wire to make another one. The center that I had made was a large one, and I made the hook for another large center. I took a bit more care this time when I was folding the aluminum foil, and I wrapped it around, and then I made a good pass with the aluminum foil to go over the top of the center. And that's what I'm doing right now. And I thought that this center turned out pretty well. What I'm going to be doing after I finish wrapping the aluminum foil is I will get a paper towel that I used in some dyeing a couple days ago, and I will cut a bit of that will cover the center for me. So now I've got the center nice and even. And here's that paper towel. I'll cut a strip. I'm going to put a line of glue along that and spread it out. And what I like about this video is that you can see how long it takes me to make a center. This video is 3.5 minutes long, and that's about how long it takes me to get a center completed. Sorry, I'm almost out of the frame here. There we go. Anyway, so I've got the first layer covering the center, and then I'm gonna make some strips that I will spin into little cords that I'll wrap over the top. And because I'm working on the strips while the glue is still wet, they're just going to stick right to the center. I don't have to put glue on again. So here I'll spin the strip, and then I'll start putting them on in an X. There we go. And then I'll make another X. And then this poppy will be ready to recover. And this one turned out much nicer than that other one. It's absolutely okay to practice, to throw a center away, to take petals off. Don't expect to do everything perfectly the first time or even every time. Okay, we're set.